guess I had to go to that place to get to this one. Now some of you might still be in that place. If you're trying to get out, just follow me. I'll get you there. You've been trying to read my lyrics off at this table before I lay 'em. But you won't take this thing out these words before I say it. Cause ain't no way I'm gonna let you stop me from causing man. What I say, I'm gonna do something, I do it. I don't give a damn what you think. I'm doing this for me. So fuck the world, feed it beans. It's gassed up, everything's just stopping me. I'ma be what I set out to be. Without a doubt, I'm down to bleed. And those who look down on me, I'm tearing down your balcony. No ifs, ands, or buts, I'm trying to ask him why, how can he? From infinite down to the last relapse album. Still shitting, whether he's on salary, paid hourly, instantly popped salary. Shit just pops out of him. Whichever comes first, for better or worse. He's married to the game, like fuck you for Christmas. His gift is a curse. Forget the earth, he's got the urge to pull his dick from the dirt and fuck the whole universe. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to take a step, take a step. Everybody, everybody, come take my hand, come take my walk this road together through the storm. Whatever weather, cold or warm, let you know that you're not alone. I'll keep you feel like you've been doing some shit and cut the crap. I shouldn't have to rhyme these words in the rhythm for you to know it's a rap. You said you was king, you lied through your teeth. For that, fuck your feelings. Instead of getting crowned, you're getting capped into the fence. I'll never let you down again, I'm back. I promise to never go back on that promise. In fact, let's be honest, at last we laughed. See, it was added, perhaps no random accents into the ground. Relax, I'm going back to that now.